I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aïssa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this very easy soft glam Valentine's Day makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from me on this channel, there is makeup, hair, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and, go check out those other videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into this makeup look. So as you can see, I'm starting off with a full face of makeup, and I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes just so you guys can have a nice little eye tutorial. And the look that I'm going for is like a soft glam, so let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my eyelids using my Covergirl Trueblend concealer. As you can see, like, I've used a lot of it, so I definitely need to re-up on this. But this is in the shade Warm Honey, and yeah, I like it. I use it also to highlight underneath my eyes and stuff, and the bridge of my nose and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with this. And to blend it, I'll just use a little brush like this. It's kind of like a flat brush, and it's just easier for me to blend. And this is kind of just going to create a flat base for the eyeshadow to stick on. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'm gonna go first with this shade right here. It's very close to my skin tone, so I'm gonna use that as a transition shade right on top of my crease. And to apply it, I'm gonna go ahead and use a fluffy brush to do so. So next I'm gonna go ahead into a little more deeper shade, and I'm gonna go and use this one right here. And it's kind of like deeper, but it's not too deep. So it's gonna give my eyelid kind of some dimension and just darken the outer corner of my eye a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of gave my eye a little more depth, a little more shape. So that's what I wanted. So next I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit more concealer, like on the inner part a little bit, so that the next shade that I put on will pop more, because I want it to be like a light pinky, but I want it to pop. And if you just put it like that, it's not going to pop as much. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of concealer, and what I'll do is I'll take my brush and just brush it like this, and then add it to my crease as I go. Okay, and this, you want to drag it like up to about the middle part of your eyelid, not too far. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Next, I'm gonna go still in the same palette and use this pinky shade right here to add on top of that concealer I just put on my eye. So yeah, make sure there's not too much on your brush and you dust it off right before putting it. And go on and pack it on as much as you want. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and I just want to deepen the shade a little bit on the outer area, so I'm gonna go back and kind of, you know, use that same dark shade that I used and just emphasize it a little more. Okay, so I like how it looks right now, so I'm not gonna do anything. So because I had makeup on before, as you can see, I already have inner tear duct highlight, but I want to make it more like rose gold, you know, like more pinky. So we're gonna go ahead and first start with this like rose gold shade here inside this palette, and we'll see how that looks. If I don't like it, then we'll go more pinky. But yeah, I think it's going to add a good pop to this eye. So I'm using this pointed type of brush just to put it literally in the inner tear duct, and you just tap it. Yeah, I think that's good. It kind of made it more like rose gold because the one I had before was like white, you know? So yeah, I think that's perfect. Next, I'm just going to take a Q-tip. This is a little mini tip I'm gonna give you guys, okay? If you don't want to like, you know, rub off your makeup or use concealer or whatnot, if you want to like sharpen the outer portion of your eye, just use a Q-tip and go ahead and just kind of, you know, outline how you want your eyeshadow to look. And just like that, it doesn't look as like going all over the place, and you didn't have to do much to take it off. Like I didn't even have to wet that Q-tip, so that's a good trick for you guys. So next, I'm gonna move on to the lashes, and for the lashes, I'm going to be using the Hawa Beauty Be Confident lashes. She sent me this beautiful, beautiful lash book, and I haven't had the chance to use it yet, so we're gonna use it in this video because I feel like these are very much more like, well, not all of them, but a lot of them are like more natural, so we're gonna go ahead and use them. As you can see, like these over here are very like fluffy, and I feel like fluffy lashes don't really look that good on me because I have small eyes. So I'm gonna go with these ones because I feel like they're very everyday and like any of you guys could wear them. Unfortunately, I don't know like the name of the single lash just because I think it comes in the lash book, but I'm pretty sure you can find it. So yeah, this is basically what I'm going to use, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them first. So yeah, it also comes with an eyeliner, and as you saw, the tweezers and the lash brush, so to like brush them out. So that's actually a good investment if that's something you would like, you know, and you get like 4 lash styles, so that's like a win-win situation. But yeah, to apply them, I'm going to use my tweezers because I already have tweezers that I use all the time. As you can see, they're like beat up. These ones are from Beauty by BD lashes, or now they go by Beauty by BD, so that's where I got these. But as you can see, they're a bit like more like a bit wider than the ones in this, which I don't think it will make that much of a difference, but I just prefer putting my lashes with tweezers, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, so actually guys, I just realized that these are magnetic lashes. Like, I didn't realize that. I don't know why, but these are magnetic lashes, so that's why it comes with the eyeliner, because you have to like put the liner before. If you guys want like an in-depth tutorial, go and I'll put right here in the eye that tutorial where I basically applied magnetic lashes. But yeah, you basically have to use that eyeliner because that's like, it has like the magnet thingy for you to like, once you like put your lash, it like kind of latches. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still gonna cut these because they're kind of big for my eye, I believe. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna cut them that much, but yeah, let me get back to you guys once I do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like the tiniest, like the smallest liner. So this is what the liner looks like. I'm just gonna do like a small line and stay very close to my lash line, and I'm not going to extend it because I didn't want that type of look for this look. Well, I kind of messed up, guys, but it's okay. This dries really fast, so you can go ahead and put the lash like really quickly. And if you use the tweezers, just don't go too close because as you can see, the tweezers are magnetic. That's the only bad thing about this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I had to like kind of also use my hands at the same time, but yeah, it's not that bad. I just need to fix that little part that I messed up. But this is what the lash looks like. It's actually very, very, very natural, like very natural. I feel like if you want to go for a more dramatic look, go ahead, but yeah, I'm just testing it out, so this is the one I went with. Okay, so this is what both lashes look like on, and yeah, you just have to kind of play with it with magnetic lashes because, you know, like sometimes if you don't put enough, it's not gonna stick. And yeah, just take your time, have patience, and if it's your first time, you know, like I said, just take your time and you're kind of gonna get used to it. But yeah, this is basically what the lashes look like, and I really, really like them. Even though they're very natural and very everyday, I would probably wear like something a little bit longer, but I think this is like perfect for girls that are more like in the everyday vibe. So this is basically the final look. I am going to tell you guys, I'm gonna keep my lip like that just because I personally like the nude type of lip. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I used. For my lip liner, I used the lip liner from Hawa Beauty, and this is in the shade Cocoa Brown. I love this lip liner. Like, if you're an OG, you know that basically like I had been using like concealer to line my lips because I couldn't find the perfect brown, and this is literally the perfect brown. Like, I love it. So this is what I used to line my lips. This is what it looks like, and it's kind of like creamy, so it's not really like a typical pencil. It's more like a cream formula, which I love. And for the lipstick in the middle, I used my Holy Grail, which is the SugaBee Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade CEO. This is kind of like a mauve-y shade, so it's not like too pinky, which I love because I don't like when it's too pink, and I feel like this is perfect. So these two are basically my go-to. But yeah, this basically completes the look, the eye look. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's kind of like pinky, but still kind of sultry and everyday. So yeah, this is basically the look. So guys, this completes the video. This completes the look. This is my version of a soft glam Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely comment down below if you want to see more makeup tutorials, and let me know if you like this look and if you would rock this look. And definitely also let me know your plans for Valentine's Day. You know, let me know what you guys will be up to. But yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos from me. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.